Chinu is going to tell us a story. Buzz, come quickly.
Story? That's fun, Chinu. Raja, you also come.
Once upon a time, there was a donkey, an elephant, and a camel. They wanted to know who was the strongest. The donkey said, "I am the strongest. I can carry heavy loads of things." The camel said, "No, I am the strongest. I can carry people on me. I can also carry heavy loads of things." The elephant said, No, I am the strongest. I can carry people, wood, and other heavy loads of things."
I know. It is so easy. The elephant is the strongest, Chinu.
Quiet, Buzz. Listen to the full story.
Okay, Chinu. Tell us the full story.
Then the animals saw a small ant going. It was carrying a grain of sugar.
So what? Even I can carry a grain of sugar.
A grain of sugar is lighter than you. Buzz, can you carry this book?
No, I can't.
You cannot carry this because it is heavier and bigger than you.
But the ant was carrying a grain of sugar. It was heavier and bigger than the ant. So the elephant said, "I think the ant is the strongest. It can carry things heavier than itself." So the donkey, camel, and elephant stopped fighting after seeing the small ant.
Oh, Chinu, the ant is really strong. I can pick up this feather. It is light. I cannot pick up this book. It is heavy for me.
Oh, Grandma is carrying vegetables. Let us help her carry it. I cannot carry it. It is heavy for me.
"I will help Grandma. I will carry the vegetables."
Meenu, what is Papa doing?
He is carrying a sack of rice into the house.
Can we carry it?
No, Buzz. That sack is very heavy. We cannot carry it.
"But I can carry this bag of sugar. It is lighter than the sack."
I can carry this oil can. It is light. Let us keep it inside now.
I can carry this fruit. This is not heavy for me.
But I cannot carry anything. Meenu, let us go and play.
"That's okay, Buzz. You are very small. But you just keep quiet. Don't buzz."
Come, let us go to the garden and play.
"Okay, let's go."
Good morning, Uncle. Your vegetables are fresh and nice.
Meenu, what is this?
Buzz, this will help us to find out how heavy the vegetables are. This helps to weigh the vegetables.
This is very heavy, Meenu. I cannot carry it. This is light. I can carry it easily.
Come now, let us go and play. Bye, Uncle.
I like to play on this. Raja, come play with me.
This is called a seesaw.
Oh, what happened?
Are you okay, Bas? You are lighter than Raja. Look, now when I sit with you, Raja will go up.
How?
Because I am heavier than Raja.
Now, when I sit with Raja, you both will go up.
Hey, this is fun. But how?
Because Raja and I are heavier than both of you.
Friends, you can also look for heavy and light things. Do you want to do a small activity? Okay, you can go home and pick up your shirt. Is it light or heavy? Yes, it is light. Now, dip it fully in water. Is it light or heavy? You can find out.
Shall we find out which of the things is heavier and which is lighter? Friends, you can give the answer loudly and Buzz will put it in the seesaw for you. Watermelon is heavier. Lemon is lighter. Watermelon is heavier. Lemon is lighter. Wood is heavier. Leaf is lighter. Wood is heavier. Leaf is lighter. Bucket is heavier. Glass is lighter. Bucket is heavier. Glass is lighter. Sack is heavier. Bag is lighter. Sack is heavier. Bag is lighter. School bag is heavier. Pencil box is lighter. School bag is heavier. Pencil box is lighter. Pot is heavier. Cup is lighter. Pot is heavier. Cup is lighter. Pigeon is heavier. Feathers is lighter. Pigeon is heavier. Feathers is lighter. Pumpkin is heavier. Tomato is lighter. Pumpkin is heavier. Tomato is lighter. Shall we match who can carry what? Elephant, wood, donkey, sacks, girl, school bag, bird, leaf, ant, a grain of sugar, elephant, wood, donkey, sacks, girl, school bag, bird, leaf, ant, a grain of sugar,